Hi, so in this session we're just talking about the objectives and literature that we have in this module 1 of basic linear algebra, because we want to have a refresher here of what you've seen probably in high school and extend a little bit on that. So first of all, here the objective and literature video that you're already watching. After that we will look into vectors and vector calculation, something you probably have seen in high school in advanced linear algebra. Then we will move on to matrices and special matrices, what they're really important things there. We look into matrix calculation, so how you do math with matrices, and then something probably really new for you guys when we talk about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. As I said, we're refreshing high school level, so if this is too slow for you, basic stuff that you know already, skip the videos here on linear algebra. If you know what is a vector, what is a matrix, and you know already how to do math with that, feel free to skip it. We will use the eigenvectors later on, definitely. So if you're not familiar with that or have just a brief understanding of that, really appreciate you to watch the video later on eigenvector and eigenvector centrality, because it's a really important concept later in network theory and input-output modeling with that. And you have to understand how to calculate it to understand the concepts built on that. In case the video is a little bit over your head, I highly recommend the book by Mary Jane Sterling, Linear Algebra for Dummies. In general, the book series for dummies is really great, because it's written for dummies. It explains in easy, simple steps how to approach things, how to solve them. It gives you a handful examples and solutions for that. And with that, you definitely will be well set to take this class on network theory and input-output modeling.